Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else.
Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit in Equities. In this video, we'll be talking about a fundamentally sound stock where Harsh Mariwala, the founder of Marico, has bought 1,30,000 shares. Now this is an NBFC and has recently corrected severely post news of the ILNFS default. Now Harsh Mariwala is also a director on the board of this company and his buying stake thus has a lot of significance. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is L&T Finance Holdings Limited, which is available at Rs 129.60 and the face value for it is 10. The symbol for it is LNTFH. Post the ILNFS default, L&T Finance Holdings has been hit along with other NBFCs. The stock has shed more than 17% since September 21 when concerns over lack of liquidity in the debt market began swirling. From its high of 185.45 post the Q1 FY19 result, the stock is down more than 30%. As the stock continues to take a beating, Harsh Mariwala, director at L&T Finance Holdings and founder of Marico, has acquired 1,30,000 shares worth Rs 18 million on September 21. Mariwala's stake has increased from 0.01% to 0.02% post the transaction. Along with Mariwala, another director, Shailesh Haribhakti, has also bought 3 lakh shares worth Rs 45.79 million along the same time. Before the latest acquisition, Mariwala and Haribhakti had bought 4 lakh shares and 1,88,243 shares in FY17 from the open market. However, in FY19 so far, other directors and senior management personnel have sold shares worth Rs 243 million. In tune, promoter stake has also reduced from 64.23% in June 2017 to 64.01% in June 2018. FIIs have also cut their stake from 10.96% to 9.22% in the same period. Citigroup Global Markets Mauritius, which was holding 5.51% in June 2017 quarter, has sold down to 3.17% in December 2017 and as of June 2018 holds 2.90%. Mutual fund holdings, however, did move higher from 3.51% in June 2017 to 5.23% in March 2018, but they cut back to 4.59% in Q1 FY19. Among others, Invesco Mutual Fund, DSP Mutual Fund and Edelweiss Mutual Fund have increased their stake in this company. Despite the steep fall in stock prices and concerns over liquidity, analysts are bullish on L&T Finance Holdings. Kotak Institutional Equities believes that tailwinds in rural business and cleaner book post write-offs in wholesale book will drive return on equity at 18 to 19% over the medium term. According to the analysts, while the company's exposure to NCDs is high at 45%, but its parentage provides comfort to debt investors. Citi Securities also prefers L&T Finance. With an improving returns profile, focused growth trajectory and lower costs, the brokerage believes that the company is scripting a turnaround story. They find the stock attractive at 2.5 times FY20 estimated price to adjusted book value for a likely return on equity of 20%. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so.